In fast-paced modern warehouses and distribution centers, managers are always looking to increase output, cut costs, and maximize profitability. And a vital part of any facility is the lift truck fleet and its batteries. If you could reduce the amount of time spent changing batteries and take steps to gain more control over the high costs associated with this area of any facility, wouldn't it make sense to do so? And wouldn't it be great to have an intelligent system for monitoring batteries in lift trucks and to take care of battery changes? The solution is here with the IntelliChanger battery changer and battery monitoring system. Developed by MTC, the leader in battery changing technology, the IntelliChanger is the next generation battery changing system that changes batteries in automatic guided vehicles and forklifts without the need of a dedicated operator. It is also a complete solution for managing and maintaining batteries. This video will introduce you to MTC's IntelliChanger. We'll explain how it works and highlight its features and benefits. Batteries, chargers, and lift trucks are some of the most undermanaged assets in our businesses. It is critical for cost management to make sure batteries are changed at the correct times and installed in the right lift trucks. Let us show you how the IntelliChanger can help you take control of these costs and provide a great return on investment. The MTC IntelliChanger is an all-electric machine. There are no hydraulics. It uses state-of-the-art electronic motors and controllers, so all motion at every axis is precise. The machine uses powerful electromagnets to move batteries. A micro switch on the magnet activates it when it comes in contact with the battery casing, providing a powerful, reliable connection. The brains of the IntelliChanger is an Allen Bradley PLC with SEW Eurodrive controllers. These are programmed together to provide reliable operation for maximum performance. The IntelliChanger also uses the EBAT motive power management system to manage and control the battery change sequence and to log battery maintenance. This powerful tool provides management information to allow you to take control of one of the largest capital investments in your facility. Since it is a complete system, the IntelliChanger has an automatic battery washer and automatic battery watering station. Both are fully integrated into the system, with EBAT taking control of the cleaning and watering operation. Battery watering logs report the amount of water injected into each battery. The entire system is designed for safety and ease of maintenance. MTC has smartly placed a web-enabled camera on the IntelliChanger, which can be used for remote troubleshooting. Let's take a look at how the IntelliChanger works. It's so simple, the need for a dedicated battery change operator is eliminated. When the fuel indicator on a lift vehicle indicates that a battery charge is required, the operator drives the lift vehicle to the IntelliChanger area and parks at an available reservation station kiosk. The system has 2 reservation stations, and the operator can use either station to log vehicle usage before battery changes. To conduct a battery change, the operator follows the instructions on the touchscreen at the reservation station kiosk. First, the operator scans his ID badge for tracking purposes. The operator scans the barcode on the vehicle with a scanner at the reservation station. This confirms the vehicle's type and its battery size, communicating the information to the control system. The operator then follows the instructions on the touchscreen to enter the vehicle's hour meter reading. Tracking usage statistics is a very important aspect of managing your fleet and receiving optimum return. Once all required information is entered at the kiosk, the system will then assign a changing station that properly syncs up with the particular type of lift vehicle. Here's how batteries get changed. The operator drives his vehicle to its assigned changing station as instructed by the reservation station. Once parked, final positioning sensors will ensure that the IntelliChanger is aligned with the vehicle accurately every time. It even compensates for worn tires. If the type of vehicle being changed is a pallet jack, the operator secures the forks into the fork securing device and raises the pallet jack so it is firmly set against the support. This safely secures the vehicle during the change. There are different battery restraints on the various lift vehicles. The operator must remove the restraint and place it in the operator's compartment. The battery is then unplugged from the lift vehicle and plugged into the auxiliary connector. Cables are arranged out of the way. This connection prepares the battery for its charge. Next, the operator leaves the vehicle parked at the changing station and enters the safety area. The IntelliChanger creates a safer environment because it removes the human element from the battery change process. The driver's station is where operators remain during the battery changing process. SICK-branded light curtains with safety beams are installed in each of the changing station areas. If the safety beam is compromised, the machine will shut down to prevent injury. Motion-detecting lasers are also mounted at the front and rear of the machine. Once the obstruction is cleared and the area is deemed safe, the machine will automatically resume operation. When the operator presses Start on the touchscreen in the driver's station, the IntelliChanger removes the discharged battery. For smooth and accurate battery transfers from racks to vehicles, an automatic centering device adjusts the IntelliChanger to the size of the battery being handled. The IntelliChanger then automatically places the battery in the correct compartment of the adjuster racks. The IntelliChanger will even maximize space by moving batteries from a charging slot to a cooling slot. Manual intervention is not needed to make the connection between battery and charger. When a battery is placed into storage, the automatic battery connectors make contact, which initiates charging. These connectors are another one of the IntelliChanger's fully automated features. A new, freshly charged battery is then pulled from the rack and placed into the lift vehicle. When the IntelliChanger indicates that it is finished, the touchscreen in the safety area tells the operator it is safe to return to his vehicle in the changing station. The operator replugs the battery into the lift vehicle, replaces the battery cover, and then drives out of the battery changing area via approved traffic patterns. That's it. Quick, easy, efficient, and safe. Here are some additional quality features of the IntelliChanger. The IntelliChanger uses programmable logic controllers from Allen Bradley. The PLCs use industry-standard ladder logic, so electronic specialists can easily modify program parameters and troubleshoot. All vehicles, batteries, chargers, and racks are labeled with barcodes for proper tracking throughout the system. A built-in barcode reader on the machine logs all activity to the PLC and then delivers it to the EBAT database for archive storage and reporting purposes. The EBAT battery management system collects information from the battery chargers and logs the status of all batteries being charged by monitoring their voltage. This information is permanently housed in the database. Now you've seen how MTC is revolutionizing the way batteries are changed and how motive power assets are managed. As the most advanced battery changing system, the IntelliChanger promises greater efficiency and more productivity while reducing costs. IntelliChanger eliminates the need for dedicated operators and properly programs the routine maintenance on your batteries. It provides information so you can more efficiently use battery assets and reduce the number of batteries needed for your lift truck fleet. The battery change process is done in a safer environment by removing your people from the battery change process. All of this reduces the number of battery changes needed for your lift truck fleet. If you have any questions about this presentation or the IntelliChanger, please contact an MTC system specialist. Call us for a proposal and a return on investment analysis for your specific application. Thank you for watching and for discovering how the IntelliChanger can help you automatically change your fleet's batteries while getting the information that helps you control batteries and their costs. For more information, please contact us at 800-433-3110 or look us up at www.mtcworldwide.com.